Hello everybody, my name is Rivers, and today we are going to be looking at another Commodore Geats toy. We are going to be looking at the Commodore Geats DX Support Mission Box Type Geats and Weapon Raise Buckle set. So here's the front of the box. You have this picture of Commodore Geats in his powered builder form. You have the box, and you have the 3 weapon raise buckles that are included in this set. Here's the side, telling you what's in it. Here is another side showing what you can put in this thing. And then here's the back showing other stuff. The top and the bottom with all the warnings and stuff. So pretty simple item, but these things it comes with inside the box are pretty cool, so that's why we're taking a look at this. So here is the support mission box type Geats. It's white and black, and then it has Geats' symbol right here. It's very similar to, it's the same symbol as Geats' ID core. I think it looks pretty sharp. You have it's a little bit silvery on the DGP logo. You could stack multiple of these boxes on top of each other. I don't have my other mission boxes with me, so I can't really compare it, but it's the same design. So inside, you just slide the top off, and included are these 3 raise buckles, and so inside you can hold 5 raise buckles on these slots. I'll move this one over here so you can see it works over there, and then you can also fit one, let's see, in the middle. You can fit a large buckle. So here's the power builder buckle. Doesn't fit. Just taking a second to get it to fit in there. Come on, man. Whatever, we're gonna put Magnum in, because I know Magnum fits. I've put it in there before. There we go. Good enough. So you can fit it in there and then close it back up. And you can also fit the... Put the ID core back up. You can fit... Oops. You can fit the driver in and also close it up. Alright, so that's pretty much all that does. But the cooler thing are these buckles. So here is the Magnum Shooter 40X raise buckle. And the way this one is activated is by pushing that. It kind of pulls back this part, and here is the actual Magnum Shooter 40X, so pretty good likeness. It's just not as much black and red detailing, but I think it looks pretty good. Charge. And if you're wondering what happens when you put this raise buckle in this, Magnum. It reads as Magnum. Magnum, tactical blast. So that's Magnum Shooter 40X raise buckle. Next we have the Ninja Dueler raised buckle. And the way this one works is you push this out and it separates them. Here is the Ninja Dueler, the full version, and then here is the raised buckle. So you separate them, and then in the toy you can also separate them like that. So that's pretty cool. That one can't read raised buckle, so you can't read the Ninja buckle on the Ninja raised or whatever. Here is the Zombie Breaker raised buckle. So the way this one works is you push this to the side, like, and then here is the Zombie Breaker next to the mini version of the thing. Doesn't have any black detailing, but it does have the detail of the silver tip. And it's kind of funny because the silver tip on this looks more accurate than, it looks better than the one on the actual thing. So bring in the Desire driver right here, and I will have to say my Desire driver has been on the fritz recently and doesn't work super well, so you'll have to bear with me. But we'll take this and we'll take, well, I have Magnum here, so it'll read as Magnum and Magnum. So, see what I mean? There we go. There we go. Ready, fight. So there you go. It reads as Magnum, and you can have two Magnums. You can do Magnum Magnum without using the Fever buckle. And then I'll also show with, I don't have normal boost here, but I do have Boost Mark II here, and I said in my video on Boost Mark II that it kind of sucks that you really can't use many buckles with it, because the only buckles you can technically use with Boost Mark II are the small buckles like this and the gun. So we'll put in Boost Mark II and see what happens. I think, did I read it right? Okay. So, so people found this out by using this, or just like taking this off or cutting this part off. Boost Mark II, when you do combo, is only read as boost when you do the two-part combos, like the Magnum boost, zombie boost, monster boost, etc. So that kind of sucks, but. Next we'll do the Ninja Dueler, and then actual Ninja. Come on, man. You're just working. I swear to God. There we go. Great. So you separate it, that, oh shit. Well, did read as Ninja. Come on. See, this is, I think a lot of people have had this problem. The Desire driver slots start to break down for some reason. and I haven't had the opportunity to clean mine yet. There we go. There we go. Ninja. So you get Ninja Ninja, and then lastly, for the combos, we'll do Zombie, Breaker, and God, fuck. Come on, man. We'll get it at some point. Almost got it. I can seal it. If this other slot just breaks in the middle of the review, that'd be really funny. There we go, finally. Sorry about that. What did it read at? Wait, what? It read at something else. Armed dagger? What the fuck? Well, that's not right. We'll try again. Then you get it reading buckles that don't even exist yet. God, I hate this thing so bad. This is such a cool toy, and then it just stopped fucking working. Come on. I'm gonna kill Bandai. Please don't demonetize this video because I said, why do we even make money off of these? I don't even have enough. There we go, finally, fucking hell. What did it? I'm not doing that. What did it read as? There we go. There you go, finally. Took like 2 minutes. Zombie. Zombie. Fight. Alright, so that's all the combos with, you know, their bigger brothers, I guess. Bigger sibling raised buckles. But the main thing that these are supposed to do is unlock new sounds in the this thing, the powered builder buckle. So the way this works is you open it up, you take one of these buckles, you just shoot them on in there. So Gigant Shooter, and then we will connect them. One, read it on the first try. That'd be very nice. Good job.
Deploy powered system. Gigant Shooter. Ready. Fight.
So you get Gigant Shooter instead of the 3 other weapons that they had that came with this buckle. I don't have a video of this because I didn't start making videos again until like a month or 2 ago. Because you had Gigant Sword, Gigant Hammer, and Gigant Gunner or something. Or Blaster, it was Blaster. Okay, and then we'll take this one. You get that, and then lastly, turn it the other way, other way, other way.
Gigant Breaker.
So you get Gigant Breaker, So, I think that's it. Unless y'all want to see, I guess I might as well do it. Just to show in the gun, I guess. Red is ninja, and then this is red. Is poison, because the zombie one is red as poison for some reason.
Rifle. Poison. Tactical blast.
Oh no. So there you go. That's all the things you can do with this. So yeah. Pretty cool. I think these are really cute. If you're wondering where the beat buckles weapon is, what is it? The beat axe. It's not in this set. It's in a candy toy set that I am also getting. That set contains the beat axe raised buckle, the Kabuto Zector raised buckle, and the Super Sentai raised buckle, or the King Oger raised buckle. I don't know what they consider it. I think there's another buckle, but I don't remember what it is. I think it's another one of these. Maybe either the gun or the axe. I don't remember. Either way, very cool. I like these. I kind of hope they make one for the raising sword, but I'm not really sure what that would do. Oh, and this does not have any sounds for the beat axe, because people found out that it had sounds for these because there's just a pin. There's like buttons right here that you just push down. So yeah, that kind of sucks, but there you go. It's sticking up. My bad. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you did. If you didn't, that's fine. Have a great day.